It is 2025. BMW has introduced the new generation of the X5 and is preparing for the debut of the flagship X5M, which is exactly what I will be telling you about today. The first thing you should know is that the new X5M will actually come in two versions, but let's take everything step by step. Until recently, the very idea of BMW offering two different X5M models would have sounded like pure fantasy. However, in today's automotive world, this no longer seems surprising. Whichever version you choose, it will be significantly different from the standard X5, especially when it comes to the front design. A camouflaged prototype of the new X5M is a direct proof of that. It looks noticeably more aggressive than the regular X5, featuring sharper headlights that narrow toward the center and meet a more aggressive pair of large hexagonal kidney grills. They are larger and more sculpted than those on the standard X5, and this is already visible even through the camouflage. The most interesting part is that BMW appears ready to use the same strategy with the new M5 as well. It seems the company has decided to separate its top performance models, not only technically but also visually, and the grille will become one of the key elements that distinguishes them. BMW has already used a similar approach with the current 3 Series lineup, and apparently customers have accepted it quite well. But the exterior changes do not stop there. The lower section of the front bumper features enlarged air intakes, which are necessary to provide a greater amount of airflow to the powertrain, and even more importantly, to the braking system. The wheels hide massive perforated brake discs and 6-piston front calipers, while some prototypes have already been spotted with blue brake calipers, a clear indication that this is not a regular X5. At the rear, as expected from a flagship performance model, the car features a more pronounced diffuser and an additional spoiler mounted above the standard one. However, there is one unusual detail. This prototype does not have a visible exhaust system, and this brings us to the most interesting part. As I mentioned earlier, BMW plans to offer 2 versions of the X5M in the new generation. One will be fully electric, while the other will be a hybrid model. And now let's take a closer look at both versions. Let's start with the electric one, because it is in many ways revolutionary. The electric BMW X5M will become the first production model for BMW M to feature a powertrain with 4 independent electric motors. Each motor will drive its own individual wheel, and this is an absolutely extraordinary solution for an SUV. This configuration has long been considered a dream scenario among engineers. In traditional vehicles, torque distribution relies on differentials, multi-plate clutches, and complex mechanical systems. Here, all that work is handled by electronics. The computer can adjust torque delivery to each individual wheel within milliseconds, and the biggest advantage of such a system is speed. This type of torque distribution is significantly faster than any mechanical drivetrain currently available on the market. For example, when the vehicle enters a corner at high speed, the electronics can instantly increase torque to the outer rear wheel while reducing power to the inner wheel. As a result, the heavy SUV can effectively rotate itself into the corner, dramatically reducing understeer. Essentially, BMW is creating a new level of torque vectoring technology, and this is truly a revolutionary step. Naturally, such a system will deliver enormous performance. According to reliable sources inside the company, the total output of this electric powertrain will reach around 900 horsepower and 1,500 Newton-meters of torque. The acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is expected to take approximately 2.5 seconds, making the X5M the fastest BMW model ever produced. Such a massive jump in performance may seem surprising. However, BMW is simply following the direction of the market, because one of the key competitors for the electric X5M will be the upcoming electric Porsche Cayenne Turbo, which already produces 857 horsepower in its base configuration and the same 1,500 Newton-meters of torque. By the way, the electric Cayenne is expected to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in around 2.5 seconds as well, meaning BMW has no choice but to match its rivals. The new model will use the same 800-volt architecture and 6th-generation cylindrical battery cells as the standard iX5. The battery capacity is expected to be around 150 kilowatt-hours. However, if electric vehicles are not your thing, then the second version of the X5M will be the one you were looking for. Alongside the fully electric model, BMW will also produce a hybrid version using the familiar powerful powertrain from the flagship BMW XM. This will allow customers to continue choosing between pure electric performance and a traditional combustion engine experience, and having a choice is always a good thing. The second version will use the familiar M hybrid system based on the 4.48-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with the factory code S68, combined with an electric motor integrated into the
8-speed ZF automatic transmission. The gasoline engine itself produces 585 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque. Combined with the electric motor, the system delivers an impressive 748 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. Of course, these numbers cannot compete with the electric version, but they are still extremely impressive. The hybrid X5M is expected to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.5 seconds, thanks in part to the use of a new, lighter battery from the new class of family, which will help reduce the overall weight of the vehicle. Production of the electric version is expected to begin in April 2028 at BMW's Spartanburg plant in the United States, while the hybrid version will arrive earlier to prepare the market for the arrival of the more powerful electric model. That's the current situation with the upcoming BMW X5M.